Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel, topic of defense technology news is NATO Allied Air Command leads counter-drone training over Baltics under enhanced vigilance activity. Eastern Sentry. NATO Allied Air Command led counter-drone training over Lithuania and Latvia on the 27th of May 2026. The activity was conducted as part of the enhanced vigilance activity Eastern Sentry. The training brought together Romanian and Portuguese F-16 fighters, Lithuanian surface-based air and missile defense units, Spanish National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Systems, and a Romanian Patriot system. The scenario focused on counter-unmanned aerial systems within NATO's integrated air and missile defense framework. The Romanian Carpathian Vipers F-16 detachment is operating from Šiauliai, Lithuania. The unit currently contributes to NATO's air policing mission in the Baltic region and provides a ready air defense capability under NATO command. NATO said the detachment's participation linked day-to-day vigilance with wider integrated air and missile defense activity. The training demonstrated how deployed Allied fighter detachments can support both routine safeguarding of NATO airspace and rapid responses to emerging airborne threats. NATO's Airborne Warning and Control System provided airborne command and control during the mission. It also supported cross-domain coordination and provided notional target information to air and ground assets. NATO's Combined Air Operations Center UDEM coordinated and oversaw the activity. It directed air defense operations across the region. The mission strengthened NATO's ability to integrate air, ground, and enabling assets into a cohesive air defense posture. NATO said it demonstrated how Allied forces combine national capabilities under NATO command to detect, track, and respond to airborne threats. Integrated air and missile defense is the backbone of NATO's air defense framework. Eastern Sentry demonstrates Allied Air Command's contribution to the defense of NATO territory, populations, and airspace through a defensive, proportionate, and coordinated posture on the alliance's eastern flank. The training showed NATO's ability to conduct high-level air activity over the Baltic region. It also helped refine shared procedures, interoperability, and operational cohesion among allies. NATO said the activity reinforced deterrence and defense through ready, integrated, and responsive air power. The exercise highlighted the alliance's focus on maintaining vigilance and improving counter-drone readiness along its eastern flank. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology